These are some of the products we build. These are table legs for dining tables and desks. That's actually a desk there, the smaller ones. This is a dining table, or it could be a conference table. We also make the conference tables. That's a round dining table. These are table legs, table bases. All of these things we make are handmade products. And if you want to see any of these products, all you have to do is visit the website, carbondesigns.com. This is the David. I call it the King David. You see the crown on it. You see it sitting on a crown. That's the round David table. That's a desk. That's a dining table. I believe this is the Henry. They got two bases on the bottom of this one. Yep. All of these are handmade furniture. Visit the website, carbondesigns.com. That's carbondesigns.com. And everything is cut out from the plasma torch, how we make the parts. And you know, some things are trial and error, like we literally come up with cool ideas how to build some unique furniture, some signature furniture. Things you can't go nowhere else and get. These are the Walton table legs. I really like those. Those are real nice. This is the Beaumont desk for those who want a nice space age desk. They have the Flyaway and the Beaumont. This one is actually getting blackened. The Joseph desk legs right here. Products over talent, family. Products over talent. Everything is handmade by metal fabricators. Can't tell me this one ain't dope. And this is the Beaumont. Hold on, family.